So guys, today we are commenced the putting up of the boards on the ceiling. The guys didn't come back, as I said in our last vlog, our vlog before the last vlog. You guys saw the tracks. So now we have put up the boards, and then I think plastering, taping and mudding can take place today. So let's go see what I'm up to. So guys, we're in the unit, and the guys are gonna set up them scaffold. And as you can see, the electrician then they come through and set up wires for the recessed lights. These are twin and earth cables. Run right through. This is the extra man. So guys, the fire resistance board will be going in the ceilings, in the dry areas, and in the wet areas the water resistance board, which are the green board, the cement boards, will be going in the bathroom or wet areas. Work is about to start and we'll get filming. The outer sides first, and then chalk box, and then get the insides. Chalk box, chalk, and the third one. Yes sir, now I'm gonna drive screw, gypsum screw of course. Guys, it does kill me in this one. From a gypsum board, it kill me. That's why I'm gonna put on my mask. See board them here, then come 1/2 inch like dress ply. And they don't know standard 4x8. And main reason why some of them might say heavy because each one of them wrap here. Well, like 2 of them. I don't know the weight, but yeah. That's why it's heavy. Now that I'm out here, so I don't necessarily need the mask. But there is an issue. I may highlight it. So this issue was foreboding based on how the attitude of the electricians are. So now in the guy has been told for board a look hole for the recess lighting to make the accommodation. Now the wires them supposed to run down, and the electrician supposed to set it up neatly so it can run down. So the electricians came yesterday. I wasn't here yesterday. I never there here. The year before yesterday. So now it have a further delay because the electrician have to come in, come do him thing himself. So these guys are gonna take a longer time to start tape. Then could have started tape today, but as you can see, that's not possible again. Now knowing that the accommodations them not there. So as I say, these vlogs provide wisdom for you guys, and you guys should definitely learn from the mistakes that you see in this vlog. I'm gonna try my best highlight them so you guys can, as I say, garner on a wisdom. So I'm gonna take my time and go back in there so and get footage for you guys. Then guy here know wear mask and I know then do it and say immune to it, but it's like cement dust or something where chronic you'd call it, but it don't happen right now. like little later down in a life you realize the effect. So around the side where the trench or the excavate that leads onto the manhole, as you can see, we cover up it, puts a layer of sand underneath it as an indicator that there is a pipe down there. So, and with the electrical things we put the caution tape and sometimes concrete. Use that as an indicator, and some inspections do mandate it. So guys, some work is going on the upstairs of the building. Let's have a look at it. I see some, what do I call this now, raking shores, a brace this farm work here. What embrace it. So guys, as you can see, the bed is going up, you know, complete. So I really start now to see you respond this splice and splice. I look like that should have longer, but as I say, never at the same point. You say support that for the fun? Yeah. Yes, sir. Still a work in progress with putting up the boards and the studs, and when I think we're going to finish today, so there's a very short day, so we're going to continue in our next video, which is this video with another day, and we should be able to finish up the installation of the sheetrocks and also start taping. Morning again, team Ismash. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. I think this is day 2 of this vlog. We're finished, put up the sheetrocks, and now we are tape and mud a little bit. So don't mind the haircut, man. Did forget about this morning. So guys, this is the compound that is being used. Easy finish, ready mix, joint compound for finishing gypsum boards, joints to repair cracks or hole in plaster or gypsum board.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over.
Use a bigger one on the second coat over the tape. So guys, we have to take a break from the drywall, guys, a little bit, and we're going to the hardware, so we're gonna pick up some lot and then come back. So journey with me and see what going on in the hardware. First make you on the hardware. It's busy guys. So guys, me down here and apparently my van can't hold anything. The van too small. I try do some local makeshift thing and then I work out, you know, and damage the van. That's the next thing. So call a bridging to carry a truck come. See if he can reach and see if we can get rolling. If not, I have another lady earlier morning. Guys, can't me buy one truck, man. Jeez, just rough. Just rough. Really, really rough. Where is the way I go? No way you walk, what? You don't see wall like them, yeah? What, them have been up? Good wall. See, started, man. Back on site, guys, and 30% on the ceiling. So recap, start the taping process as I'm already shown, and also putting on the compound. I think I compound part I really modding part. Yep, as you can see, all of the screw, then put a coat over it. Some of them necessarily require 2, some 1. And 2 coats over the, no, 1 coat over the tape, or 2 coats if necessary. So, as I must say, the first layer compound using the drywall knife, 4 to 6 inches. At a drywall knife size, and then put on the tape, and then you put on another layer compound and use a finish 8-inch finish finishing knife and run over it and reach right here. So down here, so incomplete, and up here, so incomplete, as well as the room. So guys, I would like to say thank you for making it this far in the vlog. You guys will definitely be seeing the finished product of the ceiling downstairs in the next vlog, or vlog after the next vlog, but definitely in an upcoming vlog. And you guys should just stick around for that, because I have more things to share with you guys in regards to the ceiling. And yeah, one truck coming in the morning. And what else will take place? As I said, we'll start this side, focus on that side, come over on this side, and we're going to start upstairs, and then we should be done. As you can see, beer has them, put some joists up there, and then the suffix board, then we not clear. So Team Ismash, again, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you haven't done that already, and just run up the numbers on the vlog, share with a friend, make them scrutinize the video or whatever. Yeah, Team Ismash, I am out.